In this video, I will show you how to download the Imo app on your iPhone. Before jumping into the installation process, it's essential to ensure that your iPhone is connected to the internet. You have two options here: connect via Wi-Fi or use your mobile data. A stable connection is key for a smooth downloading experience. Once you're connected, locate and tap on the App Store icon found on your home screen. At the top of your screen, there's a search bar waiting for you. Type Imo into this bar and hit search. From this list of results, look for Imo. Tap on it to navigate to its dedicated app page. On this app page, you'll notice a button that says Get. Go ahead and tap this button. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Simply double-clicking the side button will initiate downloading Imo onto your iPhone. Depending on your internet speed, this might take just a few moments. Once downloaded, Imo will automatically install itself onto your device, no additional steps required. Just sit back and let it do its thing. After installation is complete, finding Imo among all other apps on your home screen is easy. And there you have it, you can now create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow any prompts necessary to set up or access your profile. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.